Hi, I'm Eric Gore, Technical Director at CSI. Are you going stir crazy, stuck in your home, and not able to attend a trade show? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to bring a trade show to you. So sit back and relax in your pajama pants as I highlight Pipetite, the maintenance-free silicone wall boot. We often hear from hygienic processors that they struggle with sealing hygienic environments from outside contaminants. One primary area where we find contaminants entering hygienic spaces is where piping passes through a wall. Pipetite is designed to completely seal around pipe and tube as it passes through walls and floors. Unlike metal escutcheons and wall plates, Pipetite is completely flexible, so it stays in place and maintains a seal despite pipeline vibrations or movement. Pipetite is also designed to be easily trimmed to fit the exact size of your application. All you have to do is locate the correct line labeled on the side and cut with the included tool. Now, you'll want to double check to ensure you've cut to the correct size. Otherwise, your hole may be too large and not sealed properly. While CSI primarily works with hygienic processors, Pipetite has applications far beyond those plants. For instance, plumbing, electrical, or other mechanical applications in construction. Now, let me show you the different styles of Pipetite that we have available to fit your needs. First, Pipetite Standard is ideal for new installations, where the boot can be slid over the end of tubing or pipe prior to installation. Pipetite's unique base design incorporates self-sealing ridges that provide excellent surface contact, eliminating the need for caulkings or sealants. Really a one-and-done solution. I often get asked, what do I do when there's pre-existing piping? For that, we would recommend Pipetite Reboot. Pipetite Reboot has a split design that allows the installer to wrap the boot around existing piping, then seal it closed. Pipetite Flat is an excellent option for sealing holes left over from previous installations. It is also specifically designed for jacketed vessels, sheathed tanks, and hard-to-reach penetrations where Pipetite Standard is too tall. Finally, to create a watertight seal around wires and pneumatic tubing as they enter control panels and cabinets, we offer Pipetite Grommet and Multi-Grommet. These are perfect for electrical and IT applications and are NEMA rated for Type 4, 4X, and 6 enclosures. The flexible lip seal makes installation fast and easy. Another question I often receive is, what size does Pipetite come in? Pipetite is available in a wide range of sizes, from 1/4-inch grommet up through 15-inch pipe. You'll notice that most of the examples we've shown deal with round pipe and tubing, but our customers frequently use Pipetite as a way of sealing other shapes, such as square tubing. This is because Pipetite is designed to stretch pretty dramatically, making it a great option for sealing other shapes. There you have it. You're now an expert on Pipetite, and you didn't even have to put on your dress pants. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you'd like to order Pipetite. You may now return to binge watching Netflix.